हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? फाइन। कैसे हो आप सब? ठीक हो? वेरी गुड। नाउ यू आर डूइंग योर होमवर्क। आप होमवर्क कर रहे हो? इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, ओके। पोएम, यू आर रीडिंग पोएम, कन्वर्सेशन, रूम इन माई हाउस एंड जीके, wild animal, domestic animal. Okay, so you have to daily keep practicing. Okay, so before starting our lecture, children, what we have to say, what we have to wish? Good afternoon, teacher. Very good. Say good afternoon. Say good afternoon loudly, everyone. Very good. Before starting our lecture, you have to daily do prayer. Okay. At morning, English and Maths teacher is telling to you, right? Before starting, you have to daily do prayer and then you have to start your lecture. Okay. So today, what is our date, children? 16. आज डेट क्या है अपनी? 16. Month September, right? Year 2020. Subject GK. Today what we will learn? GK. In GK what we will learn today? About insects. You know insect? Last time what we have learned? About domestic animal and wild animal, right? Today we will learn about insect. Okay. So before starting lecture, remove book number 3. Come on, children, fast. Remove book number 3. Whenever we will do GK, you have to remove book number 3. Okay? Come on, remove book number 3. Removed, everyone. Go bring your book number 3. Remove. Very good. Come on. Now, children, last time what we have done? Do you remember, children? What we have done? About wild animals. And that previous lecture, last to last lecture, what we have done? About domestic animal. So today we will just go through about domestic animals and wild animals, and today we will take new topic about insects. Before starting new topic about insects, just we will go through from domestic animals and wild animals. Okay, children? So remove page number 30. Remove page number 30. 30. Remove. Very good. Now look in your book, children, everyone. Children, keep finger where I am reading. Okay. What is our topic? Domestic animal. What do you mean by domestic animal, children? Domestic animals means those we can see in our surrounding. हम लोग पालतू एनिमल्स बोलते हैं ना, पालतू जानवर जो यहाँ वहाँ दिखते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. Which is domestic animals? Dog, sheep, cow, cat, horse, goat, ox. This is domestic animal. See, dog, sheep, cow, cat, horse, goat, ox. This is called domestic animal. Okay. Who guards our house? This is conversation. Small conversation related domestic animal. Okay. Parents, this is small conversation related domestic animal. Who guards our house? The dog guards our house. Name the animal that gives us milk. Who gives us milk, children? Cow and cow and cow and goat. Cow and goat gives us milk. Which animal gives us wool? Which animal from these gives us wool? Sheep. The sheep gives us wool. Okay? Now, wild animals. See, this is called wild animals. Wild animals live in the jungle. Okay? Do you see wild animals near your surrounding? You see tiger. They are roaming here and there? No. Where tiger lives, children? In the jungle. Lion, tiger, giraffe, है ना? Bear. Where they live? In the jungle. So we call them wild animal. Which is wild animal? Lion, tiger, zebra, elephant, deer, giraffe, very good, bear, kangaroo. This is called wild animal. Now related wild animal small conversation. Which is the tallest animal? Last time I have told you na which is the tallest animal, children. Look in the picture. Giraffe. Giraffe is tallest. Tallest means सबसे बड़ा height में है ना. So we call tallest animal. The giraffe is the tallest animal. Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? The tiger. The tiger is our national animal. Okay, children? Okay? Say, repeat after me. Lion, tiger, zebra. Repeat after me. You are repeating. Very good. Elephant, deer, giraffe, kangaroo, bear. This we call wild animal. Okay? Now turn your page. Turn. Remove page number 32. Page number 32. Removed. Today is our new topic about insects. Children, what do you mean by insects? Do you know? Insects means what? Insects means small creature animal. Small animal. We have seen domestic animal. They are very big. Wild animal, lion, tiger. They are big in size. Okay, they are very big in size. No, and insects. Insects means small creature we see in our surrounding. Insects means छोटे से एनिमल. वो क्या है? छोटे से इंसेक्ट से जो अपने सराउंडिंग में दिखते हैं. दे आर स्मॉल क्रिएचर. ओके, सी इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर. Insects are little creature Little creature means small small insects that we see everywhere. Insects we see everywhere. We can see na everywhere. Okay. So, what is our today's topic? Insects. Okay. Insects are little creature that we see everywhere. Insects are little creature that we see everywhere. Okay? See, it is written in our book also. Insects are little creature. Okay, insects क्या है? छोटे 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 चींटियां हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, वैसे हम लोग के आजू बाजू भी दिखते हैं हम लोग को, इन सराउंडिंग, एट आवर होम. ओके, अपने घर पे हम लोग को कभी छोटे छोटे मच्छर, चींटी रहते हैं ना, कभी कभी मक्खी जैसे, है ना, हनी बी दिखते हैं हम लोग को. यस, दैट वी कॉल स्मॉल insects, little creature. Okay, that we see everywhere. Everywhere means in our surrounding. यानी सब जगह हम लोग को insects दिखते. Let us see which is the insects. Okay, see. Today we will take only 4 insects name. Okay, honeybee, grasshopper and spider. Honeybee. Now honeybee. What honeybee gives? पता है आपको? honeybee देखा आपने ये honeybee? honeybee के कितने लेग रहते हैं? 2. Okay. What honeybee gives? Do you know? No? Don't know? Okay. Honeybee gives us honey. वो कहाँ से honey लेके आते हैं? Do you know? Honeybee from flowers, from leaves. Okay. आपने देखा ना? honeybee का छोटा छोटा वो ये रहता है मधमाखी जैसा. याद है आपको? आपने देखा है किधर? वहां से वो क्या करते हैं? हनी कलेक्ट करते हैं. हनी पता है आपको क्या है? पता है आपको? आपने मध देखा है कभी? यू कैन आस्क टू योर मदर ऑल्सो. ओके, अपने घर पे हम लोग हनी रखते हैं ना, तो किससे बनता है? फ्रॉम हनी बी. हु मेक्स हनी बी हनी? हु मेक्स honey? Honeybee makes honey. Okay. Grasshopper. Now grasshopper. Grasshopper is green in color. What is the color of grasshopper, children? Green. How much leg grasshopper have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 legs does the grasshopper have. Okay. Where does the grasshopper live? पता है? Grasshopper lives in ग्रासलैंड। ओके, जहाँ पे ज्यादा ग्रास रहता है वहां पे ग्रास ओफर रहते हैं। ओके, व्हाट डज द ग्रास ओफर ईट? लीव्स। जहाँ पे पत्ते रहते हैं वहां पे ग्रास ओफर रहते हैं। ओके, एंड सी दिस इज एंड। एंट मीन्स व्हाट? पता है आपको? एंट लाल कलर की चिट्टी रहती है, पता है? मूंगी बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, लाल रेड कलर की, काटती अपने को हाथ में, फिर रेड रेड हो जाते हैं, रेड एंड ब्लैक कलर की। डू यू रिमेम्बर? ओके, सो वी कॉल एंट। अपने घर पे रहती है ना एंट, स्मॉल एंट। एंट का कलर क्या है? व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ एंट? रेड, रेड इन कलर। स्पाइडर, ये क्या है? विच इंसेक्ट्स? स्पाइडर। स्पाइडर पता है जाली बनाते हैं घर पे, छोटे छोटे छोटे, ये ऐसे जाली बनाते ना। स्पाइडर मेक्स द नेट। ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पाइडर। ओके, अगेन repeat after me. Okay, insects are little creature. Insects are little creature that we see everywhere. Repeat after me. Okay, insects are little creatures that we see everywhere. Okay, what is the color of grasshopper, children? See, in conversation they have written what is the color of grasshopper. The color of grasshopper is green. What is the color of grasshopper? Green. The color of grasshopper is green. Okay, repeat after me. Honeybee, grasshopper, and spider. Honeybee, grasshopper, and spider. Shall I write over here?
Start.
So, children, I have written over here. Okay, parents, those who not having book, they can note down. Insects are little creature. Insects क्या है? छोटे से creature है, छोटे छोटे insects है वो, that we see everywhere. वो कहाँ दिखाई देते हैं? सब जगह दिखाई देते हैं हम लोग को. इन अवर सराउंडिंग ऑल्सो एंड इन अवर होम ऑल्सो. हनी बी, grasshopper and spider. Today only 4 insects name only I will take. Okay, next lecture 4 insects name. Okay, what is the color of grasshopper, children? Green. Green. Color of grasshopper is green. Okay. Honeybee. What honeybee gives? What honeybee gives? Honey. Okay. And ये क्या है? And. Okay, children. And this is spider. This is spider. Okay, so you can note down from the board. Okay, okay parents. So parents, today I have done half of the insects name. Okay, you have to take